Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I really enjoyed my winter break. I went to see the Niagara Falls. The weather was quite cold. It had just snowed 2 days ago and there was snow everywhere. Did you know the falls are about 12,000 years old? The Niagara Falls is known for its magnificent waterfalls and the sheer volume of water rushing over them. There are also some stores and restaurants around the area. At night, there's also a light show from both sides, Canada and America. The view is extremely beautiful and magnificent. It is totally worth the visit. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.